two fuel treatments that complement each other. It's time to break down when to use STA-BIL in-season protection versus storage to get the best results and keep your engines healthy.
I'm Bob from STA-BIL, and today we're going to explain the differences between our fuel treatments and why you should be using them in your gas-powered equipment and vehicles year-round. Before we dive into the differences between our two main fuel treatments, let's first talk about why you need to use them. Gas starts to degrade as soon as it leaves the processing facility, and it can start to break down in as little as 30 days.
Bad gas can lead to gum and varnish buildup in your fuel system, which robs your engine of power and can lead to premature part failure. It can also cause corrosion from condensation forming inside the fuel tank, which can lead to rust. Poor gasoline quality can also cause poor fuel atomization due to the carbon buildup causing bad fuel efficiency and increased emissions.
The good news is you can prevent all that from happening from using the right fuel treatment for the right season. First up, what is STA-BIL in-season protection? STA-BIL in-season protection is a fuel treatment with PEA additives. PEA additives are the highest quality fuel system cleaners proven to be more effective at breaking down carbon deposits.
In-season protection is designed for when you're actively using your engine. Whether that be your car, truck, outdoor power equipment, or weekend toys such as a motorcycle or UTV. You want to be using treated fuels in your engine as much as possible to keep your engines healthy. For daily driver cars and trucks, we recommend adding every 3,000 to 5,000 miles. For collector cars, outdoor power equipment, and motorcycles, we recommend adding every fill-up. The easiest way to treat all of your small engines every fill-up is by adding in-season protection to your gas cans. That way everything you fill that can with is always treated. In-season protection does what it implies. Protects your engine from the things like buildup and corrosion, keeping them running their best. It also fights against the harmful effects of ethanol-blended fuels. 1 ounce of in-season protection treats 5 gallons of gasoline, which makes our additive much more cost-effective than many of our competitors. Next, STA-BIL Storage. STA-BIL Storage is our flagship product and America's #1 fuel stabilizer. It's designed to keep engines healthy by keeping fuel fresh during storage. This is done by utilizing antioxidants to slow the natural degradation of gasoline and preserving volatile components within the fuel to maintain its combustibility. 1 ounce treats 2.5 gallons of gas and keeps it from breaking down for up to 24 months, ensuring easy starts next time you need an engine to fire up. Treat your gas cans in the off-season to make sure the fuel stays fresh. You can also pour it directly into your equipment or classic cars to make sure they start right back up after winter storage season. After adding the additive, be sure to run the engines for 5 to 10 minutes so that the additives make their way all the way through the fuel system. STA-BIL Storage is designed to save headaches related to fuel system issues caused by long-term storage and bad gas. So when do you use them? We used to get this question a lot when in-season was branded as 360 protection. Now, we've simplified it by renaming that product in-season protection. When you're using your equipment or vehicles, use in-season protection to protect and maintain a healthy fuel system. When it's time to put your toys or equipment away for an extended period of time, throw some STA-BIL Storage in the fuel at the recommended treat rate to ensure it starts right back up when it's time to use them again. Just keep repeating the process to maintain a healthy fuel system year-round. We pride ourselves on making quality formulas backed by ASTM third-party testing and original equipment manufacturers' endorsements to give you the most innovative and trustworthy products in the fuel additive market. If there are any questions not answered by this video, please ask them in the comments. Again, I'm Bob, and remember, at every fill-up or when you store, start with STA-BIL.